of that notch.
Tape there.
So I can fix that. Just cut.
Dad, that is the fuel gauge.
Alright.
So
Alright, go ahead and connect again.
Whoa, there's a red light. I didn't know that.
Okay.
Alright, so we're going to try it again.
Cable.
This one I think we're going to have, I think we'll actually get power. I think that's the fuel
Gauge.
pump there.
That's power.
Okay, go over there and see if we're pumping any fuel out. Is there anything coming out?
Just
Not
dripping.
yet.
Alright, you can start your car.
Yeah, probably. Go ahead.
There we go. It's coming out ever so slowly.
There we go.
Is this supposed to be coming out more? Or is that how it's supposed to be coming out?
Put it down, Pat. Not very much, so my guess is the fuel lines are clogged. That gas is just nasty anyway.
So we're good
So,
with the recording?
no, it's not pumping anymore. Something just popped.
Yeah, you're negative.
Fuel pump is still working. You're not getting anything?
It's still coming.
Not really.